In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily combine photos together on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Whatever, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. On the main dashboard, tap on Shortcuts, then tap All Shortcuts. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap New Shortcut at the top, then select Rename. Give it a name like Combine Photos. Tap Add Action, or use the search bar and search for Select Photos. Tap on Select Photos, then enable Select Multiple in its options. Tap the search bar again and search for Combine Images. Select Combine Images, then tap the little arrow next to horizontally if you want to change the layout. Options like vertically, in grid, etc. We'll keep it as horizontally. Tap search again and search for Save to Photo Album or Save to Photos and select it. When done, tap Done in the top right corner. Your shortcut is now ready. Tap the share button in the shortcut, select add to home screen. You can change its name or icon if you like. Tap add in the top right corner. Now you'll see a new icon on your home screen. When you tap it, it will open your photo gallery. Select multiple photos, tap add, and the shortcut will quickly combine them into one image. Check your Photos app. Your combined photo will be saved. That's how you can combine photos together on your iPhone in just a few easy steps.